Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really handy jump starter kit. This also has an air compressor right out the gate. Loving the fact that it comes with this nice hard shell yet textured, nice, easy to carry. Got a nice handle on here. Everyone should have one of these in their car. You just throw it in the trunk, forget about it. When you need to use it, it's right there. These things are absolutely great. Thank you guys for sending this. This is a full kit. Again, you got your actual jump starter with air compressor right here. And you've got all the accessories right here. Now it does come with the actual jumper cables. You also have your charger cable that's a USB-A to USB-C, so you've got that you can charge that up with. Once these are charged up, they hold charge for a really long time. This is a 5,000 amp charger, which is a really strong charger, going to work with gas or diesel engines. You've also got your air compressor piece here. And then you've got your little nozzles that are on there for your air compressor. So everything you've got is in the kit, and we're going to show you here a couple of things. Really liking the fact it's got these red tactile buttons on here. So now we're going to turn this thing on, kind of show you how the battery life is on this thing. You just got to press and hold a button here. It's going to come on. You've got your battery life, and it's ready to go in air mode. You've got your light on function on the front here. Push this. I'm going to show you on the top here. It's got a nice light. The light has a couple of different modes. You've got your standard on mode. You've got an SOS mode or a strobe mode. So if you're out along the side of the road, you need to put this down. You can alert people to let them know that you're coming. So that's really nice. And just press and hold that to turn that off. Then as far as the jumper piece goes, you've got a foolproof. It's got a kind of an O and kind of a D. And that means this thing here only fits in the one way, which I love. So you've got this here. It's got the same symbols. You can't put it in the wrong way. You have to put it in this way. And it's going to show you that it's going to go and it's ready to go. If you happen to connect these together or connect them to the wrong piece, it's beeping, it's going to error out, it's letting you know, hey, there's a problem. You're not supposed to do that. But it's not going to shock you, which is great. Now, in my particular car here, I've had this truck sitting in the shed. And when I go to try to turn this over, it's dead. It's not clicking or doing nothing. I mean, it's trying to, but it can't do anything with that. It's got enough to run a beep to annoy you, but not to actually crank and turn over this engine. So I'm going to go ahead and take this over here and show you here how this is going to work. We're going to take this red one here and connect it onto the positive terminal, which is right here. And then you've got this other one here that, again, you can't connect it onto the same one. It's going to beep at you. So we're going to connect it onto the other one. And that's going to register it's green and it's on. Let me go around and fire this thing up real quick and see how this works. So once you crank it on and it starts up, it's going to start charging itself, and you can simply pull this off and disengage that, which is great. So now you've got that part done. The other thing you've got is you've got your air compressor here for your tires. Now this piece here connects on right over here on the side. I'm going to let the truck run for a minute since we've got it, had it dead. Got this part turned on down here. And the nice part about the air piece, I'm going to turn this on here and show you, you've got several different modes. You can turn on different modes, and it's going to bounce back and forth between, different options here. It shows you different pressures, different bar pressures. You can switch it. Let me get over to car. So you got up here to a car. You can change it to kPa, kilograms, PSI, and your others. So for this truck, it's supposed to be at about 40 PSI. It's going to start it at 30, 36. We can actually bump that up. Maybe want to bump it up to 40. And then I'm going to take this piece here and plug it in here. And this is going to push in and lock down onto the tire. It's showing me right now I'm at about 30, so I'm pretty low. So to turn that up and let it ramp up, you're just going to push OK, press and hold on that. Relatively quiet, so that's really nice that that's quiet. And immediately starts going up. It's on there, so it is putting pressure into here, which is nice. You can let this thing sit. It will automatically turn itself off when it gets to that point. But this is a great tool everyone should have in their vehicles at all times for any kind of circumstances. Thank you guys again for sending it.